Good morning children. In this video we are going to see exercise 8.2 sixth question. Let me read out the question. During a sale, a shopkeeper offered a discount of 10% on the marked price of all the items. Whatever the items he is selling, on that item he is giving 10% discount on the marked price. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and two shirts marked at 850 rupees each? So a customer is getting one jean pant and two shirts. One shirt cost is 850 rupees. Marked price means MRP, that is on the tag they will be writing the amount, that is called as marked price. So the MRP, that is maximum retail price of that jeans, maybe you can keep it as MRP. They used to put in the tag na MRP rupees. So the maximum retail price, that is the marked price of the jeans, pair of jeans is 1450 and one shirt cost is 850 rupees. Therefore the customer is getting two shirts. So one shirt is 850 rupees means two shirts we should multiply it by 2, right? So 2 into 850, that is equal to 1700. Two shirts cost is 1700 rupees. So the total price for that customer, total price for the customer needs to pay is rupees 1700 plus rupees 1450. So if I add both, that is 1700 for two shirts and jean 1450, both I should add. So if I am adding, what will be the answer? Add both the numbers and you will get 3150. So the customer has to pay rupees 3150. In this, the shopkeeper is offering a discount of 10%. So the offered discount amount is 10%, but we want to know the discount amount. So 10% of what amount? 10% of 3150 rupees. So 10% of 3150, that is 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 3150. 0 and 1 0 here will get cancelled. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. Now the amount will be 315 rupees. So 315 rupees he no need to pay. That is the discount amount is 315. So from this amount we have to subtract 315. So therefore the net amount means after subtracting the discount amount, net amount the customer has to pay is equal to 3150 rupees subtracted by 350. Now 3115 minus 315 is equals to 2835 rupees. So the customer is enough to pay rupees 2835 rupees. So the jean pant costs 1450. One shirt is 850 rupees. Therefore two shirts is 1700. So if I add this two amount, the customer should pay 3150. But the discount is offered. How much is the discount offered? 10%. So 10% of 3150 is rupees 315. So I should subtract 3150 minus 315. If I subtract, the answer will be 2835 rupees.